Dave, did you open my salami? Are you mute at this point, or?
Dave, yeah. I would apologize for him, but you know him equally as well as me, so I'm out of this.
Alvarez. Are you just housing salami right now because you're so shit faced? Can you look at me? No, you can't. It's okay. Did you just drool on the bag there? Dave!
We're moving for videos today.
This is a fucking... Are you serious right now, Dave? You're not gonna look at me? Look at me.
Everyone involved is drinking.
Look at me,
Davey
David.
got really drunk. He's eating Max's salami.